To set saving goals in Pocketguard, start by opening the app and navigating to the Goals tab. Here, you can create and manage your financial objectives. First, tap the Add Goal button to begin setting up your new goal. Choose the type of goal you want to create, such as saving for a specific purchase, building an emergency fund, or paying off debt. Next, enter the amount you want to save and the deadline for achieving your goal. Pocketguard will then calculate how much you need to set aside each month to reach your target. It is essential to make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying I want to save money, say I want to save $1,000 for a vacation in the next 6 months. To make the most out of Pocketguard, connect your bank accounts and track your income and expenses. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and allocate that money towards your savings goals. Pocketguard also offers automatic savings features that allow you to set up recurring transfers to your savings account. This way, you can ensure that you save a fixed amount regularly, without having to think about it. Additionally, consider setting up multiple goals to prioritize your savings. For instance, you may want to prioritize building an emergency fund over saving for a specific purchase. By following these steps and using Pocketguard effectively, you can create a personalized savings plan that helps you achieve your financial objectives. Remember to review and adjust your goals regularly to stay on track and make progress towards your financial well-being.